Welcome back everyone. So far what we have done is we are able to update our profile, set the profile picture, and uh, the last thing on the profile screen that we need to do is to support the delete functionality or the delete button. So we already had this on delete method in the profile activity, so we would just need to enhance it now so that it works as like the functionality is complete. So what we need to do is Firebase storage ref dot child constants dot data images dot child, and we pass the user ID dot delete, and we only need to um, or yeah we only need to want to handle the on failure listener for now. So well, that also actually we can skip. Then we have Firebase DB. This will delete the profile details, and finally we also need to delete our user from the authentication. So dot delete dot on success listener what am I typing? So once this is done, we would want to finish and return back to the main activity, and on failure listener we would just upload failure, and just copy this message. Oops. Okay, this is done, this is finished, and we can move this toast or this thing to this. Okay. And we don't want to do it, okay, we don't want to do it over here, so we remove this. So we remove the storage ref, remove Firebase DB, we remove the authentication thing, and once it's done we finish and we will return to the main activity. So we go to main activity, and in order to handle that we need to override this method, and this would say if Firebase Auth dot get current user is null, then start activity login activity dot new intent this, and we finish this. Okay, so that should be good. In profile activity we would want to rename this actually so that it becomes slightly more generic, and the command that I'm pressing is shift F6 or the function 6 key. So let's try to run this now. Okay, so the app has launched. Now let's try to go to the profile screen. Yeah, so there are the details and the profile image as well. Let's see, we have this test user in our database. Let's try to delete it. Confirm, yes. Let's wait for it to finish processing. Looks like it has failed. Let's see. Okay, so there was actually some problem with the security token which Google creates for talking to its Firebase DB storage, etc. So I had to basically recreate the profile, then log in and set a new profile image because I had lost that earlier profile image. So here we are, uh, back to profile screen with a new image and certain details. So let's try to delete it now. Confirm, yes. And yep, this time it works. And if we see, we had this test user. If we refresh, that user is deleted. um, let's check the database. So here also that user is deleted. Finally check the storage, and right, there are no images anymore, so we are good. We've cleared all the three things, and that is it for this lecture. We are able to delete the profile as well now, and that is it. I'll see you in the next lecture.